Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 34 of the MargareteMiller Collage Challenge. And our prompts this week is pattern paper and neutral color. I've got that. Something found in the ocean or sea. I've got these little fish and jellyfish. Something on a bookshelf. I've got this book. A piece of stationery with a unique design. I've got this hotel stationery. This Tavern on the Green, Hawthorne Hotel. I just cut out little pieces of it. Name in your family, and that's Thomas. That is my father-in-law, my husband, and my oldest son all have Thomas in their name. And the bonus is book page. So I hope everybody is doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. Let me flip this a little bit just so I'll be in frame. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and glue down my prompt list. All right, and I am going to put this down. I hope your weekend was good. I hope your week will be even better. Not a whole lot. I am filming this on Friday, and we got a lot of rain this morning. Oop, 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 oop. Wrong. That wasn't what I was supposed to put down first. Okay. I was going to put this down first. Not paying attention. That's all right. It'll get covered. There we go. Now we'll put this down. Okay. So we have got that. We are going to put our book down. All right. There we go. So I am going to add my jellyfish up there, kind of let that drape where that's torn. These are stickers from the antiquated sticker book. So I just backed it on some, well, in fact, it's paper from the stationery and fussy cut around it. I like the fussy cut look. It's a pain to do, but I think it adds all the difference in the world to fussy cut. There's a lot of intricate things there. All right, and let's see here. We have got Hawthorne. We have got that. We have got this fish and this fish. And we got a little bit of this. And I think I want to go ahead. I've just got these pieces. I inked everything else. I just forgot to ink these things. Well, in fact, that one is inked. I didn't ink that one. It's like a postcard. Okay, so let's get this down. And our little stamp. If you have stationery, you want a stamp. We'll go ahead and put this down. fish. This also came from the sticker book. We'll add this. And our tavern on the green. And our other fish. All right. So we've got everything down. And let's see, I think I want to try out this. Take the glasses off so I can see. I think I'm just going to go around the bigger part of this. Just some of it, just to help it pop. I just want to just help it along here. And our fish. I have more time and room and more pens because I don't wait till the glue dries. That's one reason why I like to use my Stabilo. And we have this one down here. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2026. Boy, I'm way behind. CWP 34 to see what everyone else has made. Okay. So we have got that. And I just want to add some splatters. I remember to fill up my water bottle. Although I do this one's not going to work. I don't know why it just hurts me to throw away a pen. All right. And now for my splatters. I use this one very often. It's a light color, but it's not bad. So we have patterned paper in a neutral color, something found in the ocean or sea, something on a bookshelf, a piece of stationery with unique design, a name in your family, Thomas, and bonus, a book page. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day, a wonderful week. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.